2019 i7 with 16 gigabytes RAM and 512 SSD. That sucker is a little slow now. It won't generate previews on Xcode, and it just lags. So I got a Mac Mini. This is the Mac Mini, the M4 Pro. But yes, the Mac Mini M4 Pro, 24 gigabytes RAM, 512 SSD. Been reading a lot of good things about this, so figured I'd give it a try. If this is not good enough, I think it will be, but if it's not, then I'm gonna go with the Mac Studio, the M4 Max. But this should definitely be good enough for my needs. Probably more than enough. That thing is tiny. Wow. Keyboard, mouse, random books. That's a good book, by the way. Power cord. Let's get this started up. Right, let's see. Go through this. Hold up.
An unprecedented transcontinental race begins on Nintendo Switch 2.
Whatever.
Mario Kart World.
AI. Everyone's talking about Gemini and GPT everywhere, where it feels like Apple is being left behind. There's also a new FaceTime app with a new landing page to quickly hit up your main Apple Intelligence and just lean right in, like everything's fine, everything's going to plan. Or they could shelf some of that stuff, but show a whole bunch.
This is crazy. This is crazy. So, this is my Mac Mini here, but it's letting me move into my MacBook. I didn't even set anything up to allow it to do that. That's crazy. So automatically did that. Alright, let's see. This is super basic code I'm like learning, but look how fast the preview works. It changes so fast. It updates so quickly. Okay. Now on the MacBook, okay, same exact code on the MacBook. Let's see if this even loads. Like, this is very slow. It won't even load. Oh, the fan's coming on.